Hello and welcome. If you've been feeling overstimulated, tense, or just completely drained, I'm glad you're here. Life can feel like a lot sometimes, and it's okay to need a moment to come back to yourself. This is that moment. Together, we'll move through a few gentle exercises to help your nervous system find its way back to calm. Our first exercise is the brain hold. Place one hand on your forehead and the other on the back of your neck. This offers supportive touch in the area known as the cranial diaphragm, which can create a sense of stability and containment during moments of overwhelm. As you hold this position, take slow, deep belly breath through the nose and notice any subtle changes. If you feel comfortable, you may start swaying gently left and right. Pay attention to your breathing and heart rate, any softening in your muscles, a gentle warmth spreading through your body, or simply a quiet shift in how you feel. Thirty more seconds to go. Now allow yourself to fully relax. Next up, we have the hands-on chest exercise. Rub your hands together to create warmth. Then place both hands on your chest and start circling slowly. This soothing gesture helps to ground you, breaking the cycle of overwhelming thoughts and bringing a sense of calm and stability to the nervous system by stimulating the vagus nerve and releasing oxytocin. Stay here and breathe. Let each circle draw you a little more inward and present. Fifteen more seconds. Release and allow yourself to fully relax. Without pausing, rub your hands together once more to create warmth. Then place your hands on the sides of your head, right above your ears. This is called the limbic hold. Imagine as if your hands are bringing connection to the brain. bringing stability to the limbic system, which is also called the emotional brain, the neocortex, which is also called the thinking brain, and the brainstem, which is also called the surviving brain. Simply hold and breathe. Let the warmth of your hands be a signal of safety to your entire nervous system. "30 more seconds to go." And now release and allow yourself to fully relax. For our final movement, place your right hand in the opposite armpit and wrap your left hand around you in a self-hug. Holding your body in this way provides proprioceptive input, your body's way of sensing where it is in space. This sensory feedback is grounding and can help bring you out of a dysregulated state. On an emotional level, there is something deeply powerful about holding yourself. It's a quiet reminder that you are present, that you are safe, and that you can be your own source of comfort, especially in moments when everything feels like too much. Now gently switch sides. Place your left hand in the opposite armpit and wrap your right hand around you. Stay here. Breathe and let yourself be held. "15 more seconds." Allow yourself to fully relax. Well done for showing up for yourself today. Remember, these moments of chaos don't define you. By tuning into your body and slowing down, you've created space for calm. Overwhelm doesn't have to control your day. It's simply a signal from your nervous system asking for care. So please take care.